friends, in today's video we will learn how to create a flower in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Create a new document of 1080 by 1080 pixels. Choose the rectangle tool from the toolbar and click on the canvas. With width and height of 100 pixels, create a rectangle. Now we will create a petal out of it. Double click on this point, move it downwards. Similarly, do it with the other side. Change the color as per your wish. Press Ctrl or Command R to bring the ruler. Bring the two guides to mark out the center. Now press Ctrl or Command T to adjust your petal. Make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Bring its anchor point towards the center of the canvas. Now press Shift and move it a little. Press Ctrl or Command plus Alt or Option plus Shift plus T to make different copies of it. Now select all the petals and press Ctrl or Command G to group it. Make a copy of the group by pressing Ctrl or Command G and transform it by pressing Ctrl or Command T. Similarly, make different copies and transform them to make a flower pattern. Now we will create a new layer to fill the center point. Fill the gradient as per your requirement and you are done. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.